Hi, I'm Ryan. Do you want to know how to remove a directory in Linux? Let me show you. So I created this test directory called remove this as an example. So if we go inside of remove this, I'll show you that there's two files, index and text. So there's not really anything in here, just an example text. So if we would just try to remove it normally, so if we just type in remove this, it'll say there's a problem into directory. So what you have to do is type rm and then -fr and then the name of the directory. So that will remove the directory. As you can see, nothing. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.